And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
I've been dealing with that here for the last 4 or 5 days, so I know how a lot of us feel out there right now. Right now, as we're talking, a little bit of rain out mainly to our west. It has been moving a little bit more inland as well, sort of a north-northwesterly direction, but we're still going to see some damp conditions around here at times tonight. A little bit of fog out there occasionally as well, but not a whole lot of rain in terms of an amount or an accumulation, if you will. For this evening, temperatures only dropping to about 58, cloudy, mild, some areas of drizzle and or a few showers. Look at the winds, though. They're going to pick up out of the south-southeast, 15 to 25 miles per hour, and even a couple of gusts overnight higher than that. Right now, we're still mid-60s in most places. You have a few areas where it's only in the 50s, like Gloucester, where the wind's out of the south right now coming in off the water. Same thing, Melfa, Wallops Island, Manio. So if you have that influence of any of those cooler bodies, then again, bodies of water, you're a little cooler. But everybody else right now, well up into the 60s. Compare right now to yesterday when Evan was filling in for me while I was sick. Up 19, 20, 21, 22 degrees here across the metro area. More of the same than expected this evening. A few pockets of light rain, as I mentioned, some clouds, some drizzle, very mild air, and then the same thing overnight with some of that drizzle around, but also some dense fog, especially in areas where the warm air comes over some of the colder surfaces that are still out there with some of the snow left in spots. That'll definitely be an issue, so watch out for that in the morning. But we start off in the 60s. And I guarantee you we end up at least in the 60s tomorrow. I think we're even going to have a high around 70 degrees, and I wouldn't rule out a rumble of thunder or two or a flash or two of lightning as this system comes through. Winds out of the south again very strongly at 20, 25, 30 miles per hour. Then the system pulls out, and by Saturday, our high Saturday is going to be at midnight Friday night. By morning, we'll be in the 50s. Look what happens through the afternoon on Saturday. We drop into the 40s. So we go a high of 60 at midnight to a temperature during the afternoon of only around 40. So that'll be a huge swing. There's some of that moisture. Again, most of it right now is inland. So patchy dense fog tonight, a little bit of drizzle, only down to 55 by morning. Tomorrow, 71 periods of rain, cloudy and warmer. And then the 7-day forecast tomorrow night, 61 as we hit Friday night, Saturday morning, 52 by morning, 52 and falling then is the daytime high temperature. Chilly for Sunday, Monday, Martin Luther King Day, cold mid-30s. We start off in the upper teens, and then a chance for some very light snow potentially as we go Tuesday night into Wednesday. Most of the threat would be in northern Virginia, but I think we have a chance around here of getting some. We'll pin that down over the next several